Good day, everyone. We are the Team Pura.
In this video, we are going to explain the task that was given to us by Ma'am Glory, which is to collect the math, English, and science grades of 10 Alpha students. So in this table, there are 2 of 10 Alpha students who got 92 to 94 grade in math. 9 of them got 88 to 91, and another 9 of them who got 84 to 87, and lastly, 4 of the 10 Alpha students got 80 to 83 grade in math. So the lower boundary is 91.5 and the cumulative frequency is 24, and the lower boundary of 88 to 91 is 87.5 with a cumulative frequency of 22. The lower boundary of 84 to 87 is 83.5 with a cumulative frequency of 13, and the lower boundary of 80 to 83 is 79.5 and the cumulative frequency of 4. So based on our data, we need to find the quartile 1, quartile 2, quartile 3 decimal.
Quartile 1 equals Kn over I equals I open parenthesis 24 close parenthesis over 4 equals 24 over 4 equals 16. Ang L niya ay 83.5, ang frequency is 9, ang CW 4, and CF kay 4. Solve din na ito. L plus open parenthesis Kn over I minus CF close parenthesis over F, then ang gawas niya kay CW equals 83.5 plus close parenthesis x minus 4 over 9 close parenthesis, then ang gawas kay 4 83.5 plus open parenthesis 2 over 9 close parenthesis just gawas kay 4, then equals 83.5 plus open parenthesis 8 over 9 close parenthesis gawas in 4, then 83.5 plus 0.88, then ang answer is quartile 1 equals 84.38.
So, we're going to answer B, which is finding quartile 2 of the frequency table. First thing to do is to find the Kn over I. Our K is 2, our N is 24, and I is equals to 4. So, we're going to multiply 2 and 24, which is equals to 48, then divide it to 4, equals 12. Now, we're going to find CF, the L, F, and CW. To find the CF, we need to find 12 in the cumulative frequency in the table. Since 12 is inside 13, we're gonna use 4 since it's before 13. And to find the L and the frequency, we're gonna use the number that is aligned to 13, which is L is equals to 83.5, F is 9, and our CW is 4. Now we're going to use the formula L plus the quantity of Kn over I minus Cf over F CW. By substituting our given to our formula, it will be 83.5 plus the quantity of 12 minus 4 over 9. Then 4. Now we're going to minus 4 to 12, which is equals to 8. Then multiply it by the CW, which is 4, equals to 32. Then divide it by 9, which is equals to 3.55. So 83.5 plus 3.5 is equals to 87.05. So our quartile 2 is equals to 87.05.
To find the quarter 3, we are going to use L plus Kn over 4 minus Cf over F times Cw. So our lower boundary is 87.5 plus Kn over 4 is equal to 3 times 24 over 4 minus Cf, which is 13, and the frequency, which is 9. times 4, which is our class width. Now, we are going to solve 3 times 24 divided by 4. Makuha na to si 18. 18 minus 13 is 5 over 9. So 87.5 plus 5 over 9 times 4 is equals to 5 over 9 times 4 is 2.2. So 87.5 plus 2.2 is 89.7. Therefore, ang atong quartile 3 is 89.7. Equals to L plus Kn over 10 minus Cf over F times Cw. The value of L is 87.5, which is the lower boundary. K is 7, N is 24, and 10, minus the Cf, which is 13, and the frequency, which is 9, times 4, which is the class width. 16.8 minus 13. 16.8 is gikan siya sa 7 times 24 over 10. So, i-multiply na nimo si 7 of 24, then i-divide nimo sa 10. Makuha nimo si 16.8 minus 13 over 9 times 4, which is the class width. 16.8 minus 13 is 3.8. So, 3.8 over 9 times 4 is 3.8. 87.5 plus 3.8 is 91.3. Therefore, D7 or the 7th decile is equals to 91.3.
Decile 4 equals Kn over I equals 4 open parenthesis 24 close parenthesis over 10 equals 96 over 10 equals 9.6. Then ang CF niya kay 4, L niya kay 5, frequency kay 9, CW niya kay 5. D4 equals 83.5 plus open parenthesis 9 minus 6 minus 4 over 9 close parenthesis of gawas din niya kay 4. Then equals 83.5 plus open parenthesis minus 5.5 minus 6 over 9. Then ang gawas, close parenthesis din ang gawas kay 4. Then 83.5 plus 2.48 equals niya kay decile equals 83.98.
So we're going to answer F, which is finding percentile 60 of the frequency table. First thing to do is to find the Kn over I. Our K is 60, our N is 24, and I is equals to 100. So we're going to multiply 60 and 24, which is equals to 1,440. Then divide it to 100, which is equals to 14.4. Now we're going to find the cumulative frequency, the lower boundary, the frequency, and the class width. To find the cumulative frequency, we need to find 14.4 in the CF. Since 14.4 is inside 22, we're gonna use 13 since it's before 22. And to find the L and the frequency, we're gonna use the number that is aligned to 22, which is L is equals to 87.5, F is 9, and our CW is 4. Now we're going to use the formula L plus the quantity of Kn over I minus Cf over F multiplied by Cw. By substituting our given to our formula, it will be 87.5 plus the quantity of 14.4 minus 13 over 9 times 4. Now we're going to minus 13 to 14.4, which is equals to 1.4. Then multiply it by the CW, which is 4. Then divide it by 9. Then we're going to get 0.62. So 87.5 plus 0.62 is equals to 88 88.12. So our percentile 60 is equals to 88.12.
So, para makuha na to si percentile 85 or the 85th percentile, so, substitute lang na to ang ilang mga value. Una nga solve si 85 n over 100. So, 85 times 24 over 100 is 20.4. So, nabelong ni siya sa class kung asa ang lower boundary is 87.5, ang CF is 13, and ang frequency is 9 with a class width of 4. So, unahon na itong subtract si 20.4 og si 13. Makuha na to si 7.4 over 9. So, i-multiply na to si 7.4 over 9 sa 4. Makuha na to 3.3. So, 87.5 plus 3.3 is equals to 90.8. Therefore, ang value sa itong P85 or the 85th percentile is 90.8.